All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol PNTV. Currently traded at 0250. Last time that we went over this one, it's going to be a while ago, actually. It's going to be over a month ago already. Wow. And that was going to bring us back to, where are we at? Holy cow, way back here. 0360, right around this area. Right there in that big green candle. That's about the area that we've went through this one last. Hold. Chart is getting overbought. Gap at 0269. It will fill. 0269 to 079. It will fill. Now, right there at that point when we went over it, you might say, well, it kept going for 3 days. If you're able to benefit off that, awesome for you. Congratulations. But it did come back down and filled this gap. Look at that. A week later, it came down to fill that area that I brought up right there. I said it will fill, and it did. Right there. That being said, you guys had another gap here. Came back down and filled again in this area. Come back down to where you're at right now. Not doom and gloom, though, because I do like the way that this thing is starting to turn around. And let me point that out to you, what I'm seeing. This blue line that we're putting across here, we're going to call that a support line now. That support line is right there at that 0250 line coming across the board. 0250 is going to be that area. Give or take that penny. If I can get this thing right. Or just call that right there. 0249. You guys are at that support line, but look at what's happened here. You guys got up to that line right here. Boom, you guys bounced off of it, came back down right here. Boom, bounced off of it right here. It got a little shaky, fell through a little bit. This is normal. You'll see it just because it's a support line. It can retract. It usually takes a day or two for it to retract, just like the lower Bollinger Band, which you see that was going on right there. You guys come on off of that, and now you guys are down there. You guys gapped up from yesterday's close. Yesterday's close is 0260. You guys gapped up today at 0275, right off of that. Rejected the 10-day simple moving average, bringing you back down to that support line. This being said, the chart is starting to turn better. The chart is definitely starting to turn back into the bullish territory. It's not quite there yet, but it's definitely looking much, much better than it has, at least for the last few weeks. For the last consecutive months, you guys have been in a bearish downtrend as far as the parabolic SAR goes, and not necessarily as much with the price per share, just this big sideways trade here. That being said, we're going to be watching for this buying to return in the next coming days. It's starting to pick back up again. Everything is set up right now for a move, only if you guys get that volume to come in to push you past the 3 cent mark. That 3 cent mark is going to be a key territory. You guys get that volume to come back to push you past 3. I really think off of that, you guys could really push up. As this moves forward, the 20-day simple moving average coming down, you guys are going to start forming that eagle nose that I put out between the support and the 10-day simple moving average and 20-day simple moving average. It could be either flipped up, upside down from here, or whatnot, but we still end up getting the same thing, that eagle nose. This thing right here is going to go sideways, and then once it gets tighter and tighter between that, like I said, eagle nose is a term that I came up with, but you'll understand that it does play out which way from there and which way it wants to go. So as that comes down, you guys are right now 10-day simple moving average. You guys get that buying pressure to come through and push you past there, and you guys get past that 3 cent, this will be definitely going to be a mover. I'll hand it over to Joe.
All right, so there was a few different things on this company since the last time we went over it. On February 16th, they upgraded to QB. And then, let me see. Then there was a press release on it today, and that was regarding their somebody from their company. Let's see who it was. All right, so board member Brett O'Jonas announced the company's marijuana incubator.net acquisition over on Money TV. So if you want to watch that, you can basically get a sense of the company because that guy from that company was over on that show. So that's from today's press release. And then let's see. I'll just read this off real quick because these guys do a good job. So on February 27th, Players Network put something out for them, or not Players Network, Network Newswire. So Players Network Incorporated is a diversified holding company operating in the marijuana and media. PNTV owns 86% of Greenleaf Farms Holdings, LLC, Greenleaf Farms, which has Nevada state-issued cultivation and production licenses. The cultivation license enables Greenleaf Farms to grow marijuana in production, and the production license enables them to create extracts which are used for cartridges, oils, and edibles. WeedTV.com is a wholly owned subsidiary which is developing the ultimate resource for the marijuana lifestyle. PNTV has been a fully reporting publicly traded company since. And then obviously I'd have to read more and go and sign on to that thing. But I mean, that's basically, well, actually, no, I'm brought right to it. All right, so that's pretty much that. They basically have all this stuff going on, like they upgraded and stuff. So that's pretty much it. If you have any opinions on the company, feel free to go and share it over on the PNTV message board on Investors Hangout with the tens of thousands of daily like-minded investors that are using the site.
All right. Again, I see over here on YouTube somebody just commented regarding this one. PNTV has an app in the Apple Store too. It's not bad and also has decent reviews. So make sure you check out that. That being said, PNTV, like I said, 0250, watch 0250, must hold and watch for a bounce off this level here. Resistance at 027603. If you break 03, this will be set up. And chart will be bullish again. So make sure I added that in there so you guys understand how important that is to break through that 3 cent mark. So again, PNTV, if you follow this stock and you feel that this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. We would definitely appreciate that very much. If there's another stock that you're following other than this one, make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know about it. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the next set of tickers.